Right? I'm gonna show you how to cook ham, shaved ham in the toaster. Watch this piece. So you make up these little aluminium hook things. See the hook down there? You're gonna dangle the ham on that in the gap where the toast normally goes in. See, here's the other one. Look, there's a hook. Right, that goes over the gap, and then you put the meat on it, the ham on it, and then it'll dangle down inside the slot and get cooked. You watch, watch. So the next part, like what I was saying, put the hook. Much I want to hang down. Cover it right about there. Hello. Yes. That'll probably be it. Yep. I'll go with that. If it catch on fire, oh well, man. Yeah. You tried. Anyway, so see this the next hook. So put that on there. Yeah, down. Yay, fine. Yeah. See, you know English, but you got it wrong. Yeah, yeah. What's it? Okay, poke on this side. He's being tricky. This one. Okay, put it on this side. Bang. Right through the whole team. Right. This. Yeah. You got it. We got it. No, man. Fuck. Okay. Ah, you stubborn. Okay. Just get in there, man. Hook. Yeah, not bent enough. So they say. I better push pause and sort this out. Okay. So they look, see, like pinned in there, hanging over there, down in this slot. Hopefully it don't blow up or catch on fire or anything crazy. Yeah, like the other side doesn't work no more. But something fell down inside there and arced out. Anyway, and then like, no more. The other side finish. Right. Okay. Cooking man. See. You can hear that. See my camera cooking too if we get too close. See how I did that? See? Yeah, man. So next, what I'm gonna do? Put the muffins down in there. Cut them in half. Put them down in there. You can't fit in there, but it doesn't matter. Just do so much and turn them around. Push it down again. Get out cheese, steak, thin slices, onion, cream, sauces, spices. Yes, now I'm hungry. Okay, bye.